I respect uh, his decision to go out of the party, and I would encourage that those who are not in tune with us or hindi nyo nagustuhan, we're always welcome to go out. Wala naman akong, even if I remain to be the only one na PDP, okay na sa akin. Wala akong problema. Even if ako lang ang maiwan sa PDP, buong Pilipinas, okay na ako. Wala akong dynamics dyan.
Maraming salamat po, Pastor. Maraming salamat po, Mayor.
Alam
Thank
mo
you, sir.
kasi ganito yan may kanya-kanya tayong prinsipyo. If hindi tayo I would presume na we are all in good faith. Na yung prinsipyo mo hindi magkasya sa prinsipyo ko or our principle fight with each other and we cannot come to a common understanding. We can always go separate ways. Ako, PDP ako. Ngayon, kung hindi pa naman ako pinapaalis ng partido ko, so kung umalis ang kayo lahat, di okay lang. Then, malapit naman ang election, it's just around the corner, and maybe we'll just have to field another fresh personalities or faces. And we can always rebuild on, if it is in tatters, that we can rebuild the party anytime. For as long, ang importante kasi dyan, yung prinsipyo.
Yes.
It's not just the party, yung party principles, importante yan. But the most important is yung tao.
No.
Kung may prinsipyo ka, magkakaintindihan talaga tayo.
Oh.
Ngayon, kung wala kang prinsipyo sa buhay, ito, basta papayag ka lang just because it is wrong, and you say, pakisama, or you do the wrong thing, do not expect me to clap my hands every time that you make a stupid thing there. Total, ako dumaan ako. I said, I've been mayor for 23 years, congressman, then president, vice mayor. So, wala man akong tinatago. Maghanap ka kasi halongkatin mo yung ano.